it is 30 degrees. I'm going to show you, we had a big snowstorm yesterday. You can see we had a big, beautiful snowstorm. There's our snowman. And so we're snowed in. Like, the snow is really, like, Joel plowed here, but like down the driveway, it's really deep, almost a foot deep. So we're kind of snowed in. So we decided, while we're waiting for our farmer neighbor to plow us out, that we would, oh, and there's another snowman up by the front door. Can you see him in the distance on the horizon? While we are waiting to be plowed out, we are working on organizing the garage because after the summer, everything kind of got tossed. We've got stuff everywhere. So we're sliding things down, we're moving shelves, moving junk. It's a disaster. They say that it gets worse before it gets better, right? So that's what we're working on today.
So if you're running out of garage space and you've got bikes everywhere, you've got to get one of these brackets. They're $59 at Home Depot, and you can at least get the bikes off the ground for the winter, completely out of your way. So then you've got more space for shovels and snow blowers. I highly recommend this. This took all of, 15 minutes, just measuring and then finding the studs and then throwing the bikes up. This is the greatest. I don't know why we waited so many years to find a solution for the bikes in the winter, because we're not using them and we're just tripping over them all winter long. Go find yourself one of these. You won't regret it.
All right, well, we got the bikes up. Look at that. Super easy. The hardest part was just clearing out all the junk to make room for them. Look at that. It just has a bracket on top screwed into the stud and nice little hooks that hold the tire. So easy. Buys us a lot of space now. This is great.